Hello everyone, welcome back to Deck2. In this video, I am going to show you an exciting topic, how to chat with your documents. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed to quickly find information in a lengthy document, or maybe you wanted to extract key details without reading the whole thing? Well, I have a fantastic solution for you. It's called LightPDF, a powerful online tool that allows you to chat with your documents in a whole new way. Let's dive in and explore how it works. Before we begin, let me give a brief overview of LightPDF. It's a versatile online platform that offers a wide range of document-related tools. From converting files to merging and splitting documents, it's a one-stop solution for all your documents needs. But today, I'm going to focus on its unique Chat with your documents feature. This feature enables you to interact with your documents using text-based queries. Let me show you how it works. The link to this website is available in the video description. Once you are there, you will find a simple and user-friendly interface. You can upload your documents here. It supports various file formats such as PDF, Word, Excel and more. Choose the file you want to chat with and upload it to the platform. Once your document is uploaded, you can start conversation with it. For example, here you can see it's telling about the document. This document provides a payroll summary for December 2022 for employees of an unnamed company. It includes information such as employees, name, designation, total days of leaves allowed, leave taken, work days, etc. And here are the 3 questions which it has generated. For example, are there any employee who did not take any leave during the month of December? If I click on it, you can see it's giving me the answer. Yes, there are employees who did not take any leave during the month of December, and he has mentioned all the names of the employees from the document. You can ask any question about the document. For example, let me ask total number of employees. Here you can see there are 18 employees in the company. And for example, if I ask him basic salary of Ganesh Rahu, he is telling me the basic salary of Ganesh Rahu is 7,000. So you can ask the question according to your requirement. You can also start new chat with it, or you can also visit the old history. For example, if I click on new chat and upload another document, and it's telling me about this document is about software and hardware and explores various input and output devices, and it has generated 3 questions. For example, what are the different types of touch screens and what are their advantages and disadvantages? You can click on any question and it will give you the answer. It will not give you the answer from Google or from any website. It will give you the answer from your documents data. For example, I write what is hardware and software, and you can see the answer. Let me ask another question. How touchscreen works? It has given me the answer from my document data. And let me show you my document. Here is my document about the hardware and software. And here is salary sheet. So I can also ask what is advantage and disadvantage of touchscreen. As you can see, LightPDF quickly analyze the document and provide concise answers to your queries. It saves your time and effort by extracting the most important information and presenting it in an easily digestible format. Isn't that amazing? With LightPDF, chat with your document feature, you can have a conversation with your document and get the information you need in no time. It's perfect for student, researcher, professional, or anyone dealing with extensive documents on a regular basis. That's all for today's videos. I hope you find this video helpful. Give it a try and let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more amazing tech contents. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.